Hello and welcome to this short tutorial video where I am going to be explaining you how I am using the Exocharts software. How does the software work and how that you can make the best use of it. In this video in particular, I'm going to give you a short overview of how you can import and export templates on the web version and the desktop version. I'm going to start off with the web version so that you can learn how to import the template that I have built for you, that I am myself also using each and every day to trade Bitcoin and other crypto assets, so that you can simply follow along and have the exact same information as that I am looking at throughout the day. In that way, I hope it becomes more convenient for you to follow along with my trading ideas and my charts. Let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is to navigate to the website of Exocharts. All you have to do is simply type in your browser exocharts.com and it will bring you to this website. From here on out, you can create an account, and depending on your preference, you can choose either to go for the web version package or for the desktop version package, which the latter has also the web version included within it. If you click simply on pricing, you can see all the deals that they have. And the pricing that it is. You can choose a trial version, you can use the desktop pro version and the web premium version, which gives you access to the web version. The trial version is not very suitable for this video because you simply don't have access to all the features that the software has to offer you. And on top of that, it also has a delay of 24 hours, which means that you cannot simply use these templates, as we are looking on the lower time frames and also are using different chart types. So I'm going to start off with the web version, which for me, I already have a subscription, and I'm also logged in. So all I have to do is simply click on this button, web chart, and it will bring me to the software. Right? So right now I'm simply going to switch over and I'm already going to load off my template that I have built for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can import that and how you can start using that template as well. So again, I remind you, this is the web version. What you have to do is you have to download the template from the resource page on the member portal, and it will give you a TXT file. What you need to do is simply double click on it. In this case, we're going to import our footprint chart. Simply double click on it and it will give you a list of code. What you need to do is right mouse button, you want to select everything of that, and you simply want to copy that and paste that into the order flow software in order to get your template. What you need to do then in Exocharts itself is on the left side of your screen over here, you click on the TPL, which stands for templates. Simply click on it, and what it will do, it will give you all the templates that you have essentially loaded up into it already. What we're going to do is we're going to import a new one. So clicking on import, simply paste the full code into here and we click on import. Now what we can do, we see it now appearing over here. What we can do, we can give it a new name, for example. Personally, I do not like to have import in front of it, so I'm going to remove that, and I'm happy with that. And now we have our template in it. Now you can load it up in two ways. Either you can simply click on load and it will load up the template, or you can hotkey it on one of your numpad keys. In this case, let's connect it to the key 9, right? Simply click on it, select the template of your choice, which is going to be footprints and reactions. Simply we can close it, that's all. We click on the number 9 and it will automatically load up the template that we have. So just to show you, this is when I loading another template, and simply I now quickly want to switch back to the other template by clicking on the number 9. That concludes the web version of it. Now let's move over to the desktop version. So this is how the desktop version looks like. This is a much more advanced version of the software with a lot more features and a lot more expansion upon the features, and simply gives you a lot more control. Not only of the features that it can use, but you also have way more control on how this software performs on your computer. What I have done, I have gone ahead and I have built this template from scratch within this software to make sure that it's going to be usable on a wide array of systems, so that it doesn't take up too much memory of your computer, and that it is just easy, convenient to use for all kinds of systems. So what you need to do is go here on the upper left corner. You have a little folder over here. Simply click on Show Templates, and there's two things that you can do really here. You can, one, import the web template, so you can import the TXT file if you wish, or you can import the native template that I've built for this desktop version specifically, which personally I recommend doing that. What you need to do here is simply click on Import File, right? And it will bring you to, in my case, already to the correct folder. Simply navigate to the folder, and once again, you want to now load up the ETP file, which stands for Exocharts template, the desktop version, and simply you want to open that. And there you go, you have it now loaded up, but you have not yet loaded it up on the screen yet. So again, there's two ways you can do that. Either hover your mouse over your template, simply click on Load Template, and there we go, we've loaded it up now. As you can see, it's slightly different, but in the next video, I'm going to go over that. I'm going to go over what you are actually looking at. But for now, the last thing that I want to show you is how to adjust it, or how to connect it to a hotkey in a similar way as on the web version. So what you have to do is simply, here you see the word key over here. All you have to do is click on it and simply assign it to the key. Now, for the sake of consistency, I'm going to also assign it to the key 9 over here. And then, as you can see, what we need to do now is simply tap the button 9, press enter, and we are loading our template. And that sets us up all nicely and conveniently to start using the software. Good luck.